channel. I do hope you're doing well. We've got Mum on duty today with helping us with the dinner, which you will see, guys, is enchiladas. However, Shannon is doing it her own way.
Right.
They tell you to do it with stock cubes. I'm cheating. I'm going to be doing it with a fajita sauce and a spice kit. And please apologise, I've lost 2 nails throughout the baking video.
I've got to go shopping.
I need an emerald green nail polish. I've got nothing here at all, and trust it to go pear-shaped. But that is what we are hopefully going to be looking like. So, quick, easy. It's probably going to be time-lapse and a bit of
that's got to stay in there, hasn't it?
Yeah, then we'll put it in the top here.
Yeah.
We've got the baking video as well going away with it, guys. So,
is the enchiladas going in the oven?
Yeah, on top.
Oh, what?
It's all going on. Right, let's get in with enchiladas.
Right.
Right, so I have been lazy. I'm not putting chilli in because this one can't do spice.
Did we make it with guy?
I've just got oregano and paprika. And then what I've done, because I haven't got... I thought I was filming this at the house, so I don't have a garlic crush or anything there. I got some garlic puree. Oh, God, I hate my nails when they're like this. Garlic puree, along with chopped tomatoes with garlic. So we've got a little bit more there. And then I couldn't get black beans. So what I did pick up was sweet corn, because I love enchiladas with sweet corn, and a Mexican style bean. So I'm going to drain them off. And then, as I say, I use a fajita sauce with a fajita seasoning mix. And then we're still going to leave it for a good 10, 15. It says leave it for half hour if you do it with a stock cube. But we're not doing it with the stock because I just think I've never known enchiladas to be done with a stock. It's always like a thick sauce.
So when you can do it in the wok?
You do it in the pan.
Oh, right.
And then you make the wraps. And
I'll
put them in the glass. Right. Wherever. I did have the glass container there. Our mum's put it over the back.
I wondered why.
But
Shall I drain these then?
Oh, they could get drained. That's got to stay with the sauce. And then
That's got to stay with that.
I'll check the mince and we will see how we get on. And we should have a nice enchilada. And there's also the baking recipe. It's also in there chilling.
morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away.
Right, now it's enchilada time. They say with this not to wrap them like a burrito. So I'm going to wrap it how it tells me to. And then, if there's leftovers, I've got some bits for lunch.
Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. Standing in a blurry dream.
So this has told me to wrap them differently. I'm thinking it's because when the cheese thing goes on, it will melt them together. I'm hoping. So yes, we're going to pop these in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes, it says. And then when we come out, Mum's not having cheese on hers. Mum's just going to have an enchilada wrapped because we know Mum has to be careful with cheese. But let's get these in the oven. And we've got some enchilada goodness. So, I thought we'd show Mum's thing. Mum's in her Christmas pyjamas.
Already.
Mine and Dan's is in the oven cooking with the cheese on. So Mum has got her own enchilada with no cheese. But I thought, see how she feels. Well, it might be, I just don't know, because that's mature.
Oh, well, I'm all right now. Don't go to bed.
I have wrapped it for Mum how I would normally, because I think wrapping it like that is just causing a thing for disaster.
Oh, yeah, that's all right. Been nice with a bit of cheese. Don't worry, Shannon. I won't mind a bit of cheese. It's all right.
I was waiting for us to say it's too spicy. Everything's mild in there and it's only paprika and oregano.
Right.
She's just had her baking segment.
Yes.
So you probably, if you've seen the baking segment, you probably wonder why now she's in this, because she's literally just changed into her pyjamas.
Yes, this is very good. 9.
9 again for that. And Dan's just had a bit of the baking recipe, and they're both now going to fight each other for the rest of it.
Yes, I'm going to get the...
What?
Oh. Oh, I have to have a can of my drink now.
It's not spicy.
Yes, it is. She tells me this, viewers, and then she moans because I drink.
Where's my oven gloves there? Let's see what ours are looking like with the cheese, because I say it's made me wrap them completely different, and I don't know why.
You have the cheese on, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's told me to wrap them differently.
All right.
So okay, maybe
it's like
that is
an
the one.
envelope, isn't it?
No, it's told me to wrap it differently.
Oh right, okay.
So I'm going to put it under the nice little light. We'll get some nice pictures, and then we'll see how it tastes for us. But you're giving yours a 9, yeah?
Yeah, 9.
And she's wrapping up the baking stuff there. Hello. Right, Mum is tucked away in her room now, eating hers. And then me and Dan have got ours. As I say, Mum and Dan have both tried the bread pudding from the baking recipe. That will be before or after, I'm not too sure. And they're apparently going to be fighting over...
There will be bloodshed.
That squares. Mum's like, I've counted my squares. So I'm like, oh God, thank goodness I'm not here to do that. But I don't know why it's got you to wrap them like this. This is not how I would normally wrap my enchiladas. But... now Mum got a little haul. I knew she would. I think that's just the right amount of a little bit of heat and smokiness.
Nothing too overpowering.
No. Just casually lost a bit of sweet corn down there, guys. I'll have to pick that up. And there's enough. Not as much as I thought. I should have actually probably got the bigger mince because I never knew enchiladas with a small mince. I thought I followed the recipe, but who am I kidding? I like to really overfill my enchiladas and get a big one. I've got a tiny little bowl of the mixture left over for lunch, so I'll have that as a little snack
Do you
tomorrow.
want me to save you one?
Mm.
I'll eat one, because then I can eat your mum's bread pudding.
Oh God, it calls you murder, sir. I've got enough out there, thank you. Are you going to maybe try and get some snacks tomorrow for the road trip?
Alright.
Road trip time. So, we're now going to chill and watch the last episode of season 1 of Gangs of London, because that's our new series. But, what would you give these? Because I normally do chicken enchiladas. I've never done beef.
I like them 10 out of 10.
You like them?
Yeah.
And I've only done 2 this time, because when I normally do my normal enchiladas,
Manageable.
I do 3.
Manageable.
And Dan will not leave food. And he goes into like enchilada coma, didn't you?
Oh, it's ridiculous.
But 2's manageable.
Definitely.
What do you think about the wrapping though? I don't think I'm a fan of this wrapping.
Oh.
Because normally I tuck the ends in, don't I?
Yeah,
But this
yours
said
are a
just
lot
to-
neater. These are very...
Yeah, but it
All
said
right,
literally
yeah.
just fold them over, so.
I assessed straight away and was like, gonna need a knife and fork.
He come in with forks and I was like, I think we need a knife. But yeah, it's been a good day of cooking. Everyone's eaten, everyone's got dessert. There'll be plenty of dessert for tomorrow.
Yep.
So if you did enjoy the video, guys, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe down below. And let me know if you've gone on BBC Good Food and it's now asking you to pay a subscription to go on like it was trying to do on my iPad. Yeah, I couldn't get on it on my iPad. It was saying to pay a subscription. Yeah, I could get it on my phone.
Okay.
I think it said it was like £5 a month. Pricey. And that's where I got my recipes from. I'm going to have to start getting my recipe books out.
But you know why?
Because it's getting popular.
Nah, it's because people have probably stopped paying for the
TV
TV
license.
loss. That's it.
They need to make their money somewhere
Yeah.
else back. Guys, take care, stay safe as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!